Good morning, second grade friends. I'm so happy that you are here um, for your assignment. All right, we're going to kind of do like we would do if we were in class. Only thing you're going to be watching a video. Sometimes you're going to have to pause so you can work on the problems, okay? All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to be obtaining, that's where you're going to do your research. You're going to click the link when you go to Google Classroom. You're going to click the link for Know Your Pet and day 2 of your research. You're going to look at some information. That's where you're going to evaluate, look at it and see what pieces of information that you need to include in your research about what your pet needs. And then you're going to communicate that information, which means you're just going to write that information up in Google Classroom about what your pet needs are, what kind of habitat, what you need in your house to have that pet. All right. All right, here we go. Here's what we're going to do. Normally in class, I normally press this 5-minute button, and I'm not going to press the 5-minute button, but I want you to pause the video after I give the directions. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to figure out who had $7, who had $6, who had $10, who had $12, okay? Remember, when you fill in the grid on your Google Classroom, you're just going to put yes or Y for yes, N for no, um, so that you can solve it. Here are the rest of the directions. A daughter, a son, a dad, and a mom all save dollars to spend at the store. Find out how many dollars each person saved. 1. If you add dad's and the daughter's savings, you get 22. So you just need to think, what is dad? What is the daughter? Take out a piece of paper so you can write yes and no. You may have to do hint, hint, some addition. Okay, the mom tried to save $7 but fell short. Hmm, she fell short. Hmm. Well, when you fall short of something, that means you don't go all the way to it. So you have to figure out which one doesn't show all the way to, yep, that amount of money. And then 3, the girl ended up with net spelled backwards. Ooh, now I know what the girl put, how much the girl had, how much the dad had, how much mom has, and how much the boy has. Now you have to figure it out, okay? Go to Google Classroom. When you finish watching the video, go to Google Classroom or write it down on a piece of paper. Who has how much money? Okay? All right. Did you pause the video? Okay. All right. Here's our question for today. Avery and Lisette collected shells at the beach. Avery collected 200 225 shells. Lizette collected 352 shells. Sam thinks Avery collected more shells. Do you agree with Sam? Why or why not? This is another question that you'll have to answer on our Google Classroom page, and you have to tell me, do you think Sam is right or do you think he's not right? And if you think he's right, tell me why. If you think he's wrong, also tell me why. Okay. So just remember, when you finish all of those activities, you're going to go back to your research, Tell us, what is your animal's natural habitat? What does your animal normally eat? How would you build a home for your pet? And what will you need to feed it? Okay. All of these assignments are on Google Classroom. I will post on my eClass page with the link to the different activities. Have a great day, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.